Welcome to the BISP solution. So today we'll see how to manage the schedule in Task Manager. Basically, schedule is a chronologically ordered set of tasks for a business process that must be executed for a business process such as close cycle. Schedule, they are typically created from templates and then include all the tasks in the template. To create a schedule, you must be an administrator or a power user. When you create a schedule, you can add or remove tasks from the schedule as needed. You can also create schedule manually. Tasks are scheduled based on the date that you select for day 0. Each task is assigned a calendar date based on number of days before or after day 0 with the help of the schedule. So here we'll see how to create a schedule using a template. So to create a schedule, from template, first open the task manager using application card. Select template and then select create schedule. So this is my template. This is my template year end close task. As this how to create this template, as I have already covered in my previous video, you can refer that video. And under this template I have assigned these many tasks. Basically, I have prepared the template for financial year closing process. So the task at the time of financial year closing are, you have to close all your expenses account, revenues account, so that you can make P&L and balance sheet, and pass all the provisioning entries, like depreciation entry, payable entry, tax payable entry, all the payable entries you need to pass at the time of closing, that is the 31st March. Okay, so these are the tasks, and I have to schedule these tasks so that these tasks then will be reflected to the assignees. They will get the notifications, and from which date they have to start doing work on these tasks. Okay, so now how to schedule this template. Select the template and then create the schedule. Create schedule. I'll create schedule for year and close task. Year and for 25th December 21. So my zero date will be 25th December 21. Okay, this is my zero date. Tasks are scheduled based on date you select for day 0. Each task is assigned a calendar date based on number of days before or after day 0 that it was assigned earlier in the template. You can use the advanced configuration option if you want to override the organizational unit and work days assigned to the task in the template. I'll set the organization unit for all the tasks in the schedules to North America. Okay, so here you can see after selecting the day 0, your start day will be December 13, as I have kept uh, before day 0 minus 10 days, and after day 0 I have kept plus 15. So minus 10 denotes December 13. From this day you can start your work, that is the start day, and your end day will be 17th January. Okay, that is the plus 15 denotes the 17th January 22, excluding all the Saturdays and Sundays. Okay, so now under predecessor task link tab, this tab lists all the tasks with the predecessor in other schedules. So for this schedule I haven't I have not made any other schedule, so there will be no predecessor task link. Under override parameters, you can use this parameter tab to update parameter value for all the task for a task type in the schedule. Okay, so this template does not contain any task type with parameters that allow updating. So I have entered here all the required information. So now I'll click on create schedule. When you create a schedule from the template, a dialog box shows the number of tasks created, and see the number of tasks created and the number with errors. So there is no error. Click on close. Initial schedule status is pending. My task is this year and closing task. Initial status is pending. All tasks in the schedule are pending until you change the schedule status to open. When you see set status to open, click on yes. So now status changed was successful. That means now the status will be changed to open. See, that means when you change the status to open, the tasks that have met their start date and whose predecessor conditions have been met, they are changed to open with an assignee. Now means they can now start working on that particular task, and the email notifications will be sent to the respective task assignees which are allotted in the while creating the task. So this is the way how you create the schedule using the template, so that the notifications can be sent to all the assignees and they can start their work. So this is the way how we create the schedule. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubt, feel free to ask. Thank you.